Who doesn't appreciate the chic and timeless design of IKEA? The Besta unit is a standout in their collection, offering versatile wall-mounted storage in a range of configurations. Featuring a soft closing function, the drawers and doors glide shut silently for a sleek finish. Its simplicity and modularity open up endless possibilities for customizing your storage solutions, whether it's a stylish TV unit, efficient all-purpose storage, or a stunning display for your books. Stay tuned for these 10 creative ideas to make the most of your IKEA Besta unit and elevate your space. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe for more. Number 10. IKEA Besta hack for a walk-in closet. You can transform your walk-in closet using IKEA Besta frames, galvanized pipe, and bangvaklas. Start by building a sturdy base with the Besta frames for versatile shelving and storage. Incorporate galvanized pipe for a modern touch, serving as stylish hanging rods. Personalize your space by painting the doors a bold color, like turquoise, to contrast beautifully with the natural wood and black elements. Adding wall hooks will allow you to display hats and accessories, enhancing both accessibility and style. Consider placing additional hooks for laundry hampers or higher hooks specifically for hats. This creative approach will ensure your closet is functional and uniquely yours. Number 9. A floating credenza. For years, the IKEA Besta series has been a top-selling choice for good reason. Its minimalist design appeals to many who crave simplicity without the hefty price tag associated with high-end decor. This time, transform your Besta into a modern, floating credenza for a fresh look in your living room. Floating units add an interesting dynamic compared to traditional floor-mounted options, creating a clean and airy atmosphere. To achieve this, mount the cabinet to the wall at a height of approximately 76 to 81 inches, 30 to 32 inches. Enhance the design further by adding a sleek black top and installing stylish lighting above the credenza for added drama. 8. Use it as new bedroom storage. The IKEA Besta series is versatile enough to fit seamlessly into any room, thanks to its understated style. This unit can even serve as practical storage in those narrow, awkward spaces, like above your bed. Install 3 cabinets on the wall about half a meter above the bed and place some reading lamps underneath. This clever solution not only provides additional storage, but also enhances your bedroom's functionality and ambience. Number 7. Create a new windowsill bench. With the IKEA Besta, you can combine storage and seating in one clever piece. This multifunctional unit is perfect for modern homes, especially in a cozy windowsill nook. To create a comfortable bench, add a wooden top or an upholstered cushion on the cedar base. Ensure the entire unit is covered, leaving only the top accessible for easy access. You can also add pillows and bedspreads to transform it into a delightful daybed or reading nook, perfect for relaxing or enjoying a good book. 6. Build a new concept of a storage unit from it. Tired of symmetrical and conventional storage? The IKEA Besta is your perfect solution. Its versatility empowers you to unleash your creativity and design a storage setup tailored specifically to your needs. Begin by selecting a model that offers a mix of open and closed storage compartments. Experiment with different arrangements, attaching the unit to the wall for a chic floating effect. Use the open compartments to showcase decorative ornaments or personal treasures, while the closed sections can conceal items you prefer to keep out of sight. This approach not only maximizes your storage options, but also adds a distinctive aesthetic to your space. Number 5. Besta TV stand ventilation and cable organization hack. Start by acquiring a Scottish 56 by 37 centimeter pegboard, which is the ideal size to cover the back openings of your Besta TV stand. This pegboard not only facilitates airflow, but also serves as a practical solution for cable management. Mount the pegboard securely with 16 by 16 L brackets, ensuring to leave a 1-inch approximately 2.54 centimeter, gap for routing cables to the back. This space allows heat to escape while keeping cables organized and accessible. The pegboard's holes are perfect for using hooks or tie wraps, enabling you to neatly arrange your cables and avoid unsightly clutter. If you're concerned about dust accumulating, consider adding a fine mesh filter behind the pegboard to trap particles and enhance ventilation further. Moreover, this setup accommodates various devices, including gaming consoles and media players, ensuring they remain well ventilated. With this clever modification, you can significantly enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your Besta TV stand. Number 4. Or as a home office cabinet. Everyone knows that office furniture is pricey. This will create a high expenditure when you are deciding to build a home office. Therefore, the budget-friendly IKEA Besta is your savior if you need to work from home or still are forced to work from home. Best's range and flexibility of combinations will make it easier for you to get your space's max. Create a long desk with the drawer units. It gives you multiple workstations to put computer set and printer without getting mixed up with working files. Number 3. Also as a new room divider. Dividing up a room is the best way to make good use of space and to have double-duty storage for your limited area at the same time. To have this feature, you can also use IKEA Besta not only for office space or daycare, but also for limited space in a studio apartment too. For example, you can use the Besta as a new divider, a bed headboard, and a semi-walk-in closet all at the same time. If you have a large room instead, non-partitioned room in the living room and kitchen, you can use it as a divider to divide the sofa set and dining table and store things. 2. Besta TV bench hacking idea. Begin your project by acquiring 2x4 boards and securely fastening them to the wall to create a space behind your Besta TV bench for concealing cables. This framing is crucial as you're working with 2 separate benches that would sag in the middle without the support. The horizontal pieces are screwed into the wall, while the vertical pieces are attached to keep everything stable. Next, mount the bench on wall brackets, leaving a small gap in the top center for easy access to wires. For the top and sides, use 4x4 clear pine, gluing the pieces together with Gorilla wood glue. When cutting the wood, trace the wall's contours to ensure a perfect fit. Once assembled, stain the wood with a natural color, ensuring proper ventilation due to strong fumes. Finally, finish with 2 coats of Varathane satin clear coat for protection, creating a sleek, stylish look while successfully organizing your electronics and cables in one tidy space. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, best way to hide your flat screen. Start by selecting an IKEA Besta cabinet to conceal your projector screen. Begin the project by measuring the top section of the cabinet where you'll be cutting the hole. Ensure it's sized perfectly so the projector screen remains hidden when retracted. Use a jigsaw or appropriate cutting tool to create this hole carefully. Next, install the projector screen inside the cabinet, ensuring that it connects to a power source and can be easily accessed. The screen should have a sprung scissor mechanism that enables it to pull out smoothly from the cassette. For optimal viewing, position a smaller flat-screen TV, such as a 43-inch model, on the cabinet for casual use. This not only allows for a tidy appearance, but also keeps the area versatile for different media needs. Consider using the TV for digital art displays during gatherings. Finally, ensure all wiring is neatly organized within the cabinet to maintain a clean aesthetic while enjoying your hidden setup. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for?
If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.